In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy USDT in CoinEx. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description so we can come here. And then to buy USDT, the easiest way is to click on over here where it says buy crypto, hover over it, and then click on quick buy. And for this, of course, you must be logged into your account. And once you're on here, to buy it, actually, you have to go ahead and click on receive over here, and USDT is going to be your option. And then just type in how much you'd like to buy. So for example, 100 USDT. And then it says how much you're going to have to pay for that. And if you're cool with that, down here you can select your payment method. For me, currently just one is available. For you, it may be a bit different. And then here it says I have read and agreed to the agreement and privacy policy. If you do agree, click on that and click on continue. And after that, you're going to have to do your verification, so your KYC. And after you do it, then of course the next step is going to be to actually complete the transaction and actually buy USDT just like that. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.